Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 is only lasting a few minutes on battery, you're not alone. This can happen due to a failing battery or a power management issue within the device. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further complications, including data loss or damage to the motherboard. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the Acer N19H2. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully turn the laptop upside down. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the back panel in place. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It's typically situated in the center of the device, secured by additional screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, taking care to remember their positions. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery cable by pulling it away from the motherboard. This can be a bit tricky, so be patient. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Place the new battery in the same position and connect the battery cable back to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely attached. Now, replace the screws that hold the battery in place, ensuring they are tightened properly but not overly so. Remember, if at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the battery is secured, take the back panel and align it properly with the laptop. Press down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace the screws that hold the back panel and ensure they are tight. After completing the assembly, power on your laptop to check if it functions correctly with the new battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to regularly calibrate your battery by allowing it to discharge completely before charging it again. Also, avoid keeping your device plugged in for extended periods when not in use, as this can degrade battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.